BTOO Open 2020, Jason and Sophy.
Ontario, Canada.
All right, this was our Duckin and Jivin workshop. We started off with a warm-up, cool warm-up, line dance style warm-up.
Yes.
We're going to demonstrate that for you to music. The song was Freeze by Andy Grammer, and we'll play it so you can
And
also
there's a variation where there's a easy footwork and not so easy footwork, and we'll do both for you. I'll do the not so easy.
All right, here we go.
Well, it is. You get it.
All right, we're ready. Go ahead and start the music.
We need the music, Mr. DJ.
Okay, Andy Grammer, Freeze. So we have 5, 6, 5, 6. We're doing triples with duck walks. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Now we're going to do kickball changes. Kick and cross. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 2 and 2. Here comes the fast section. So point. That's the harder version. Now repeat. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Now we're going to do soupes followed by apple jacks. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Extra credit. Oh. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and freeze. There you go.
Now you can rinse and repeat that footwork within the song. You'll hear all the different changes and where it all applies. Now we're going to show you all of that footwork warm-up that we did and apply it to our patterns for West Coast swing.
So we started off, basically we did a sugar push. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we talked about setting the post leaders, making sure that we ask our partner to go into resistance connection assertively, basically. So then once our follower gets there, notice Sophie's angling into this, we're going to ask them to go to their right, and we're going to do basically a sailor anchor. 5 and 6, notice that we turned out. The leader's right foot, follower's left foot. We're going to swivel. 7, 8. From here we're going to go and 1. Now this is like popping the refrigerator door. We're not really going to stop here. This is really a bounce. So 1 and 2. Notice that we did the kickball cross. 3, 4. When we get to this 4, we're going to be asking, like as we were doing the sweep, we're asking our partner to come slightly towards us so we can compress away. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now on this and 8, I'm going to repeat that. And 7 and 8, I'm actually coming slightly to the left of my partner so that I can actually send her at a slightly different angle to do an underarm turn. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then we did these, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then we rinsed and repeated. Leaders and followers, notice we do a little and change. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from here I'll let Sophie take over.
I think it's pretty much, so followers, making sure we follow through, pulling everything down, connecting to the posts, so we can feel that the leader are changing the way that they anchor. 5,
6, 7,
and then as we walk
8.
through, making sure we still keep everything connected and pull. Pop the refrigerator door open, nice and easy, replace and go.
Leaders, I forgot to add, create a little bit of extra space here so don't stay too close.
And then making sure for this drum technique, use your core to rotate you, keep the foot behind,
5,
and then place it once we're done
6,
rotating,
draw
coming
in.
into the compression, and then just doing a little bit tap. Again, everything gets pulled down.
I counted that wrong. It's 3, 4, and then this is in 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
All right, we're going to do a
1,
kick, ball, chain, triple step, and
and
5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just making sure when we're doing this, it's a quick replace. Replace, go, right? And then again, replace, from here, replace, go.
Okay,
Cool.
let's do it one more time, all the way through. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 2 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 3 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So there you go.
Yay, have fun, guys.
Thank you.